Okay, here's part 2 of the video. So the compressor's pretty quiet. Actually runs pretty smooth. It's not vibrating the table or anything. There's 2 other air conditioners right below it. That's a newer one. That one doesn't work. That one blows fuses, which is not surprising because it's modern. But this one runs very, very smooth, no rattling, no vibrating. It's amazing. Even though it doesn't really look very stylish, but it does the job. Here's his wait 2 minutes before restarting. And I believe that this has an early frost guard because when it was colder down here, the thermostat didn't activate, because I think that's what it is. It's probably a frost guard, so it doesn't freeze up on cold conditions, or it could be low ambient kit or whatever it is. Okay, I'm gonna... Oh, the compressor was turned off. Volts, 7.5 pounds of R22, and it's 6,000 BTU. Sorry about the lighting, and it's AHAM certified. You know it's old. Alright, so this is a 1970's Fetters 6,000 BTU window air conditioner. Alright, pretty cool. This is White with Blue signing off.